Hello children, I welcome to you all in your English classes. Myself Priti Shukla. Today I am going to read you our next lesson, lesson number 3. So here is lesson number 3, Appu the baby elephant. In this lesson we will read about Appu. So whenever you are watching this video, have you pencil and eraser with you? Okay. So open page number 25. Here is page number 25. Before starting this lesson, we will go through the objective and little warm up exercise. So here is objective. Objective means I have already told you whatever we learn in this lesson written here, okay, and come to the bottom. As you can see, warm up exercise A, you can see a box is there. So in that box you have to draw an elephant, picture of an elephant, and color it properly. Okay. So draw an elephant in that box. Okay, next page. Move to next page. Page number 26. Here exercise B. So read this line carefully. Work in pair. Take turn to ask and answer this question. So student, class is not there. That's why all these questions discuss with your parents at your home. Okay. So number 1 question is, have you ever seen an elephant? Have you ever seen an elephant? If you have seen, so answer is yes. If you have not seen, answer is no. Second question is, where did you see it? Where did you see? If you ever seen elephant, so where did you see? Okay. Some of give answer in zoo, in the forest, in the town. Okay. Next question is, have you ever taken an elephant ride? How did you feel? So student, these all questions totally depend on your experience. Like you have ever seen elephant, आपने एलिफेंट देखा है या नहीं देखा है, एलिफेंट कहाँ देखा है, एंड एलिफेंट की राइड की है या नहीं. एलिफेंट राइड मीन्स आप एलिफेंट पे बैठे हैं या नहीं, एलिफेंट की सवारी की है नहीं. So totally depend on your experience. Okay. Now move to reading. In this lesson, all about Appu. So read this line carefully. Keep your finger on this line. Do you want to know what Appu? What Appu? What is Appu? A-P-P-U. Appu. What Appu? Appu is the name. Appu is the name. Like we all have name, that Appu is the name. Whose name Appu? Appu is the name of baby elephant. Okay. The baby elephant like to eat and do. Read on to find out. So in this lesson we will read all about Appu. I am Appu. I am a baby elephant. Who is I? In this lesson, I means Appu. I means Appu. Because Appu is telling us in this lesson all about Appu is telling us. I am Appu. So Appu telling I am Appu and I live with my family in a big temple. Where is Appu live? Appu live in big temple in Kaladi. Kaladi is a small town in Kerala. Okay. So where is Appu live? Appu live in a big temple. You can see in the picture. Here is a temple and Appu live in this temple. So come to next line. I enjoy playing in the water. I enjoy playing in the water. Appu is saying I enjoy playing in the water. Children, you also playing in the water? You enjoy playing in the water? So almost enjoy playing in the water, like Appu enjoy playing in the water. I go to bath in a river nearby. So Kaledi is a town nearby bank of river Periyar. Okay. So Appu go to bath in a river. As you can see in the picture, here is a picture and you can see elephants are there, birds are there and fishes. So I love to see birds and butterflies there. There are a lot of fish in the river. Appu telling us, Appu enjoy playing in the water and Appu love to see bird and fishes. Okay. So there are lot of fishes in the river. So children, come to next page. Okay. Come to this line. My mouth, M-A-H-O-U-T. Okay. My mouth gives me tasty bananas and juicy sugar cane to eat. Mouth. Come at the bottom. Here is the meanings of mouth. Yes. Mouth, a person who looks after an elephant and rides it. So mouth means a person who take care of elephant. Okay. So my mouth gives me tasty banana and juicy sugar cane to eat. Appu is telling us, mouth gives me tasty banana. Okay. You know banana? Banana means, banana is a fruit. So Appu like banana and juicy sugar cane. On festival, my family and I are decorated beautifully for a temple procession. On festival. Festival means, festival is the event, a particular event. So come here, this is the meaning of festival. Days when people celebrate a special event like Christmas, Diwali, Holi and lots of festivals here. So Appu is telling, on festival my family and I are decorated beautifully for a temple procession. Okay. So procession means a line of elephants, animals and peoples, the more along slowly as part of ceremony. So Appu is decorated. On festival, my family and I decorated beautifully on the temple procession. So you can see this picture. Here is Appu and he is decorated. So in the festival पे अप्पू को डेकोरेट किया जाता है एंड उसकी फैमिली को भी प्रोसेशन में निकालने के लिए, साथ में वो स्लोली चलते हैं तो उनको डेकोरेट किया जाता है ऑन फेस्टिवल स्पेशल ओकेशंस. The temple priest very kindly gives me some paisam. Paisam means a sweet dish prepared on festival. So Appu liked to sweet dish paisam. The temple priest you can see here, temple priest, that means pujari. So Appu lives in temple and the priest also live in temple. So priest give to paisam to Appu. So Appu saying, the temple priest give me some paisam as I am very fond of it, and Appu likes very much to paisam. Paisam is a special sweet dish prepared on festival. So children, here come to the bottom in that line. I feel happy when people play with me. So when Appu feel happy? Appu feel happy when people with him. Okay. I also love to play football. You like to play football? So also Appu like to play football. So Appu is telling, I feel happy when people play with me, and I also love to play football with my friends. Okay. So in this lesson all about Appu telling himself. So children, now lesson reading is over, and next page, open your next page. Exercise are there. Okay, now our first exercise A, choose the correct option. First, Appu lives in. Appu lives in A river, B a forest, C a temple. Where does Appu live? Can you find the answer? Appu lives, where is Appu lives? Yes, Appu lives in a temple. Appu lives in a big temple. So, correct answer is a temple. Second, where does Appu have a bath? Where does Appu have a bath? Options are in the river, in the pond, in the temple. So, where does Appu have a bath? Answer is in the river. Now third, what makes Appu happy? What makes Appu happy? Appu खुश कब होता है? When Appu happy? Going to the town, going to the forest, playing with people. So Appu is happy when Appu playing with people. Okay. So these three options, three questions there. And now come to the bottom, our second exercise. Answer this question. Question number 1. Name the town where Appu live. So you can tell the answer easily. Name the town where is Appu live. Appu live in big temple in a Kaladi. Kaladi is a small town. So answer is Kaladi. Kalady. Second question is, who gives Appu juicy sugarcane to eat? Who gives Appu juicy sugarcane to eat? So answer is mouth. Mouth, M-A-H-O-U-T. Mouth means a person who take care of elephant. Number 3 question. What special food does Appu get to eat on festival? Again, what special food does Appu get to eat on festival? Which dish Appu like? Appu like sweet dish, that name is payasam. It is prepared on festival in Kerala. So payasam is the correct answer. P-A-Y-A-S-A-M. This is the answer. Okay. And next question, question number 4. What game does Appu love to play with his friend? Appu like to football. So answer is football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football. So here is both exercise completed. So children, I hope understood this lesson and exercise. So here is the exercise, question answer and options. And one work for you. In that box you have to draw a picture of the elephant. So both exercise and all work have you complete in your fair notebook. So have a nice day. Thank you.